today we are making Coco Bobs. We have some sprinkles, marshmallows, and some chocolate. First, we need to melt this in the oven. You open the oven. You put it in, and you can have some help figuring out what degree it is. What degree is it? Okay, now the chocolate's going to melt for 13 seconds. They only gone a little bit, and now we're just going to wait until it melts. You're on my own.
That's exciting. You're doing great.
Okay. Then we open it. We grab it.
Mix it up, see if it's melted.
It has melted, everybody.
Is it melted enough to work? Or is there still some clumps?
There's still some clumps, like right here.
Okay, so put it back in for a little bit longer.
For the second amount. Now, that didn't work. It's okay if it doesn't work this time. But, if it doesn't work on 13 seconds, please try 15 seconds. Now I'm going to wipe the chocolate off the spoon. You can ask your mom to reach it. Now there is no more lumps, people. The chocolate has all melted. Now it's time to put it inside the pumpkins. Okay, we're going to put this in the refrigerator right now. Please follow me. And my sister Mama will get it open for me. You just can place it anywhere you want, but place it somewhere where it can be held. But now I'm going to go wash my hands, and we'll be back in 5 minutes. Hello again. It's ready time to get out all the chocolate. Now it has hardened very. You just want to check it to see if it has hardened. And now we're going to do the second coat. We're going to take this to the microwave too. And do the same amount of numbers, but if it's not all melty, that means we have to do 15 again. Now we're just going to wait 13 seconds again. 12 more seconds, 10 more seconds, 9 more seconds, 8 more seconds, 5 more seconds.
3, 2, 1, beep.
Don't worry. Maybe you.
Is it still super hot?
I'm okay.
If it's too hot, don't do it.
That is hot.
Okay. Do you want help?
Yeah. Mama's helping me with this. It's okay if you need a little help. If your mom or dad or your grandpa or your grandma, you can ask anyone for help in your whole entire family.
Anybody that you trust.
Yes. Like Mama, she's helping me right now. I trust her to help me. Wait, pause the video. I forgot to pause my show.
It's okay. We're almost done.
Okay. Okay, we're going to go put this back into the fridge.
This is our final layer, and then we're putting the ingredients inside and the final coat on top.
Yes. We are back, guys. Now we're going to go get the second coat out of the refrigerator. Look at that. It's it's all solid. We're checking if it's still solid. Yep. And it looks so tasty. And now, time to put some marshmallows and sprinkles inside them. We'll start with the marshmallows first.
Okay. Sorry.
Like in here, squish them down. And grab 3 more. Squish them down. Grab 3 more. And squish them down. It's very easy because you just need to squish them and then put sprinkles on them. Squish down. Squish down. It's okay if you have 4 or a couple more. You just have to get up. Squish down. And squish down over those. Now it's time for some sprinkles. You put the sprinkles like on the marshmallows. A couple. This. Now we're going to go put this 3rd coat in there. Then we're going to put it on the pumpkins and put the pumpkins inside the hot cocoa. Wait, you're looking at the spoon.
No, I didn't.
Guys, we're just having a shenanigans. A shenanigans or
Shenanigan.
shenanigan.
You're a shenanigan.
Hey guys, it kind of didn't turn out while we went to see. It kind of stick through, and it was kind of hard, but Mom was putting it back in the microwave for it to get a little more softer. While we wait, we're going to go over there, and we're going to go talk to Mama, and she's going to say who's the producer of this video.
Who's the producer?
Yeah.
I am.
And who's the creator of this show?
Hazen Ray.
Yeah. Camera.
Yep.
While we wait for Mama to stir it, let's hope it's not this hot this time, and I think it's going to work this time.
Okay.
Cut.
I got you.
Now we're doing the 3rd one. Yay! Mama's helping me because this could be a little hard with the double chocolate part. Well, yeah, people can help you a lot in this. We have finished the final coat. While you wait for Mama to help me out, she usually waits here.
Hello.
Yeah, that's some inspiration words, folks.
Inspiring.
Inspiring more! You better think it's inspiring. Look at all that tasty chocolate.
Now it goes back in the fridge. Let me have it.
For another 5 minutes. Here is our Cocoa Bombs. And I picked Mandalorians because I love that show. I love it. And I do love it to pick it because he does have a jetpack. And Wilk's making the milk, like microwaving the milk for a couple more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. He's done.
Okay, now you're going to put one of those in your cup.
Okay. Are you ready, Luke?
cold.
Dang.
Yeah.
Darn it.
Okay. We switched to this one because we're going to warm it up and ready for it to melt.
Fine.
Me, the taste tester, want to taste it and see if the judge is ready to taste it.
Look at how cool they are.
Yes.
Show us the back.
Do 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 do.
They're so cool.
And so it looks yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we have 30 more seconds to go. White glass tie with the mantle cup. Yay! Now we're just going to wait 30 seconds. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Done. Now let's see if it has evaporate. Whoa, look! It's actually evaporating. Evaporating. Whoa! That's cool.
Mm-hmm. You want to put another one in there?
Yeah.
Oh!
That one.
Come on.
Yeah, put them on.
No.
This is so good. Thank you for helping us make Coco chocolate bombs. Now, like and subscribe. See ya.